Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be continuing our discussion on the National Environmental Organizations. The first body under discussion is the Bombay Natural Heritage Society, also called as the BNHS. It was founded in the year 1883 and it is one of the largest NGOs in India engaged in conservation and biodiversity research. Some of the prominent ornithologists like Salim Ali were also associated with this institute, and it publishes Journal of the Bombay Natural Heritage Society. Bombay Natural Heritage Society is a partner of the BirdLife International in India. This BirdLife International helps in the designation of important bird areas. Therefore, in India, important bird areas are designated based on the recommendation of both BNHS as well as BirdLife International. It is designated as the Scientific and Industrial Research Organization by the Department of Science and Technology. The recent current affairs where BNHS was in news is about the Internet of Birds. This is a portal developed in collaboration with Accenture by BNHS, where it is a platform which empowers artificial intelligence, deep learning and image recognition to help recognize a bird when you click a photo and upload it in their website. It gives all the details about the bird and helps in understanding of the knowledge of the birds. The second body is the Society of Integrated Coastal Management. This was established under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and the main objective and function of the SICM is to supplement the implementation of integrated coastal zone management activities in India. This integrated coastal zone management project is a project of the World Bank, and it is implemented in India through the Ministry of Environment, and Society of Integrated Coastal Management acts as the implementing nodal body for implementation in both the national and the state levels. The SICM also promotes R&D activities, that is research and development in the management of coastal areas in India. It is also responsible for the blue flag certification of beaches. This is given by a Copenhagen body called Foundation for Environmental Education. This is about having sustainable beaches. Based on certain criteria, a beach is classified as a blue flag certification. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements. India has no designated important bird areas. BNHS is headquartered at Delhi. The correct answer is D. As we have discussed in one of our previous video, that India has about 450 plus important bird areas which are designated together both by Bombay Natural Heritage Society and the BirdLife International. As the name implies, Bombay Natural Heritage Society, it should be headquartered in Bombay and not in Delhi. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Thank you.